Ang pogi niya talaga. Hi. Bagay na bagay sa kanya ang messy hair. Mapungay na mata, matangos ilong, at ang labi. Ba't ka nagugulat? This is Levin, my best friend since high school.
There I was, an empty piece of a shell, just minding my own world, and without even knowing what love and you gave the world to me, and before I knew, there I was, so in love with you. You gave me a reason for my being, and I love what I'm feeling. You gave me a meaning to my life, and I've gone beyond existing. And it all began when I met you.
Uy, nabalitaan niyo ba yung bagong transfer ngayon?
Oo, nakita ko sa kanina. Ang ganda.
Maganda na yung sa inyo. Mas maganda pa nga si Joshua dun eh. Nung sa nga lang.
Ka nang makinig dyan. Mabait ka naman.
Good morning, everyone. So, I'm going to introduce to you your new classmate, Miss Madrid. Miss Madrid, please come in. Madrid, please introduce yourself.
Hi everyone, let's go Miss and nice to meet you all.
Okay, Miss Madrid, please occupy your place.
Excuse me. Nabasa ko kasi kanina na active ko sa klase. Pwede magpaturo ng konti? Nag-a-adjust pa kasi ako po. Okay lang sa'yo.
Turuan ko muna. Bumadali ko eh.
She's going off about something that you said. She doesn't get your humor like I do. I'm in my room, it's a typical Tuesday night. I'm listening to the kind of music she doesn't like, and she'll never know your story like I do. 'Cause she wears short skirts, I wear t-shirts. She's cheer captain and I'm on the bleachers, dreaming about the day when you wake up and find that what you're looking for has been here the whole time. If you could see that I'm the one who understands you, then you're all alone. So why can't you see you belong with me? You belong with me. Walking the streets with you in your worn out jeans, I can't help thinking this is how it ought to be. Laughing on a park bench, thinking to myself, hey, isn't this easy? And you've got a smile that could light up this whole town. I haven't seen it in a while since she brought you down. You say you're fine, I know you better than that. Hey, what you doing with a girl like that? She wears high heels, I wear sneakers. She's cheer captain and I'm on the bleachers, dreaming about the day when you wake up and find that what you're looking for is many years. Time if you could see that.
Sorry kung mas pinili ko sa kaysa sa'yo. Sorry kung napabayaan ko.
Sakit lang, Levi. Kita kayo na.
Sorry kita dyan. Tagal.